friends, welcome to Menaka's channel. Today I am going to show you a weight loss drink. For this, let's see the ingredients. Coriander seeds 4 tablespoons, a pinch of ajwain, 3 cardamom or elaichi. I have just pounded a little bit. Mint leaves 3 or 4 petals. One tablespoon of honey. And 2 glasses of water. Now take a pan. In this I am going to add 2 glasses of water. I have added 1 glass already and now this is the second glass. And in this water now we are going to add the coriander seeds. 4 tablespoons of coriander seeds, a pinch of ajwain, and 3 cardamoms or elaichi. Now we have to allow this water mixture to boil for around 15 to 20 minutes and reduce to 1 glass. So when it's boiled nicely, all the ingredients, it will be very healthy and it will help us to reduce the weight. Coriander seeds are very good. It helps in digestion, and apart from that it also lowers the sugar level in the body. So even the diabetic patients can have this drink twice a day. Okay, try this twice a day. Morning after you wake up, once you have a glass of water, after that do this, prepare this weight loss drink. It's a home remedy and there is no side effects. You can see the bubbles coming up in the water. Now it started to boil. And the ingredients whatever I have used are the one which we have it in our house. Now you can see all the ingredients are boiling. I have kept the flame in a low and allow it to boil for 15 to 20 minutes. And the coriander seeds, it helps in hair growth, even helps to cure the skin diseases. It's antibacterial, even it will reduce the cold or flu if you have. So you can use this as a healthy drink. And ajwain, it helps in digestion, and use only 1 pinch, don't add more, because it will also increase the body heat. And I've added cardamom or the elaichi. Elaichi, it helps in clearing the blood clot if you have. People who have varicose pain and all, there will be blood clot in their legs, and it helps in curing that. Apart from that, it also helps to get rid of the bad breath. It gives a good flavor once it's boiling. It cleans the body, it cleanses the body and helps in reducing the body fat. So please try this weight loss drink at your home. Drink it twice a day. In the morning, say even after finishing your breakfast, after half an hour you can just prepare this drink and have it. And even in the evening you can skip your tea or coffee and then have this. Drink it for a month and you would see a better result in your body. It helps to reduce your weight from 1 or 2 kgs in a month. And now I'm just going to put a lid and allow it to boil for another 10 minutes. Now I've put the lid and allowing it to boil for another 10 minutes, and then we can, it will be ready to drink. Now we can open the lid and see it has reduced to 1 glass. Now we can strain this in a glass. So now I'm pouring it to the glass in which I had measured 2 glasses of water, and you can see it is reduced to 1 glass. Now to this we can add 1 spoon of honey. I'm adding 1 spoon of honey, and this is optional. If you don't want, you can skip this honey. And for refreshing and for more flavor, I'm adding 1 or 2 leaves of mint. So now the home remedy weight loss drink is ready to drink. Enjoy this drink in the morning, and also you can have it in the evening. Try this and you will definitely reduce the weight around 2 kgs in a month. Try this and don't forget to send me your suggestions and comments, and like my channel and subscribe my channel, Menaka's channel. Thank you. It's for all those who want to reduce the weight, and nowadays we all want to be fit. So try this. It would be very tempting and you would like to try this. Even after 1 month you reduce the weight.